Hello friends, welcome. So today we are going to discuss one example of the Mealy machine. So here is the state table given to you. So you can see here that these are the present states and these are the next states, and there are some inputs and the inputs are 0 and the 1. Okay, and there are some present states, and this is initial state. This is initial state because we know whenever there is initial state we have to represent it with the arrow. Okay, here you can see A on getting input 0 it goes to B, and A on getting input 0 it produces an output x1. We know that in the Mealy machine it also produces an output, and the Moore machine also it produces an output. So in this, on getting inputs their state will change as well as they will produce an output also. So A on getting input 1 it goes to C and it produces an output x1. Same for all, like B on getting input 0 it goes to B and it produces an output x2. C on getting input 0 it goes to D and it produces an output x3. D on getting input 0 it goes to D and it produces an output x3. And A on getting input 1 it goes to C and it produces an output x1. On getting input 1 it goes to D and produces an output x3. C on getting input 1 it goes to C and it produces an output x1. D on getting input 1 it goes to D and it produces an output x3. So here you have to represent with the state diagram. This is a state diagram. Okay, here you can see from the above table which is given to you that A on getting input 0 it goes to this B. Okay, and it produces an output x1. It produces an output x1. And B, A on getting input 1 it goes to C and it produces an output x1. This on getting input 0 it goes to B, and this on getting input 1, here is A. Okay, A on getting input 1 it goes to C and here is D. Okay, so then A on getting input 0 it goes to B, and A on getting input 1 it goes to C. C on getting input 1 it goes to itself, and C on getting input 0 it goes to this D. And B is on getting input 0 it remain in itself, and B on getting input 1 it goes to C, D, and D on getting input 0 it remains in the D. And there are outputs associated. Okay, that A on getting input 0 it goes to B and it produces an output x1, and it means from this is A, C and D. So from A to B it also produces an output x. It on getting input this it will produces an output x1, and this on getting input 1 it produces an output x1. Likewise for all the cases you have here that B on getting input 0 it goes to B and it produces an output x2. So from B, and for B and D, for B on getting input 0 it also produces an output x1 or x2. It produces an output x2. Okay, so it produces an output x2, and B on getting input D it produces 1 on getting input 1 B produces the D and it produces an output x2. So likewise for all the cases we have to there are some output associated. Okay, here you can see that D on getting input 0 it is producing the x3. So these are the basic example of the Mealy machine, that how we can draw the Mealy machine, and on getting particular input the state will change as well as the output is also associated with them. Output is also associated with them. So these are some examples. I hope friends this is clear to you. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe my channel, and if you have any query you can ask in the comment section. And friends अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ताकि आपको लेटेस्ट नोटिफिकेशंस वीडियोस की मिलती रहे. थैंक यू.